In this video, I'm going to go over the dynamic half moon. The purpose of this exercise is to train rotational control and power and stability in our standing leg, which is key for lateral movements, whether it's turning when we're walking, when we're jumping or running, as well as it's important to develop resilience in the tendons as the muscles elongate in the movement. The target here is the gluteus medius, the minimus, the maximus, as well as the deep hip rotators, which are pelvic floor anchors, and it's so important for deep core training. The other target, of course, is the deep in the outer core muscles, which work to keep our spine in neutral as the movement is driven just from the hip. Your position is going to be starting in a hip hinge position, a pose in the earlier series of my deep core reconnect method. So your shin is vertical, spine is in neutral, and you tip from the hips, shins vertical. From here, your free leg can either be here or up like this. Shoulders and hips are square. You're going to rotate by controlling through the standing leg so that your whole body turns towards the standing leg. From here, you're going to open up your whole body, moving everything at once and then going back down. Shoulders and hips move together. And as you can see, this is quite a bit of a balance challenge. Now, if I drop my knee, this is what that looks like. As I open, I drive through my glutes by squeezing them, keeping my toes down, keeping my heels down, rinsing all the contraction out as we're opening up, and then we control back down slowly. What I just showed you was full range of motion. So from the front, I tip, I lower to my starting position, then I open up, and then I go down. Oftentimes people cannot go the full range of motion at first. So if it's only here and just a small motion, that's fine. You can also hold on to something, or you can rest your foot onto something behind you and still do the action, still do the movement. Keep in mind, this lifted hip is not moving. So an error is people will do like a fire hydrant on the open leg, and that's not what we want. This exercise pairs really well with the standing fire hydrant because this action is the same as this, except you're on your standing leg. So I like to pair this exercise with a standing fire hydrant, clamshell, either in side lying or a modified side plank, or a tabletop hands and knees fire hydrant. You want to feel this all here, all in the side glutes where your upper back pocket lie. And if you feel it elsewhere, you may need to scale. If you have any questions about anything I covered in this video, please comment below or reach out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.